Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to tell you remaining question of exercise 2.7. So student, question number first, second, third, fourth, I have completed in my previous video. So today I am going to start from question number 5. So question number 5 is saying student, find. Student, there are many parts are given in this question. I am taking some important part. 7 divided by 3.5. Second part is 36 divided by 0.2. And third is 3.25 divided by 0.5. And fourth part is 30.94 divided by 0.7. And fifth part is student 0.5 divided by 0.25. And student, part 6, 7, 8 and 9 is your homework. Part 6, 7, 8 and 9 is your homework. Are your homework. ये सभी आपके homework. You will do yourself according to these question. These question I am going to solve. So student, according to question number 2 of this exercise, you will solve this question also. In question number 2, student, I have told you will change the decimal number in fraction. Firstly, you will convert the decimal number in fraction, and whole number you will write in the form of fraction. So, student, if we talk about the solution of this question, so 7 is a whole number, student. So, you can write 7 in the form of fraction, in form of P upon Q. So, student, you can write we have 7 divided by 3.5. You can write 7 in the form of 7 upon 1 divided by, now convert the decimal number in fraction. So student, how can we convert the decimal number in fraction? I have told you, write the decimal number विदाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट. इस डेसिमल नंबर को विदाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट आप राइट करिए एंड ड्रा द डिवीजन बार एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ डेसिमल पॉइंट, राइट द 1 एंड हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर कम्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट 1. सो यू विल इंक्रीज 10 35 upon 10 means like this student. 3.5 upon, कैंसिल करिए डेसिमल पॉइंट को एंड एक्सचेंज ऑफ दिस डेसिमल पॉइंट, राइट द 1 below division bar and increase the 0 after 1. How many 0? As many digits have come after the decimal point. Decimal point के बाद जितने डिजिट आए हैं उतने 0 आप यहाँ इंक्रीज करेंगे. डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट है, सो वी राइट 1 0 आफ्टर द 1. सो 35 upon 10 student. Now student, divide it. 7 upon 1. How can we divide two fraction? Now both are fraction. दोनों फ्रैक्शन है. डिवाइड कैसे करते हैं? We change the division sign in multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the fraction which is come after the division sign. So 10 upon 35. Now student, you can solve. You can multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 10 7 जा 70, 35 1 जा 35, 35 2 जा 70. This is my answer. Very easy student. क्या मैंने कहा? फर्स्टली वी चेंज द होल नंबर इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, मीन्स p upon q form we write. After this decimal number we convert in the fraction. Also, how can we change a decimal number? Sorry student. In fraction, we cancel the decimal point and we write the 1 in exchange of decimal point below the division bar, and we write the 0 after 1, as many 0 as digits have come after the decimal point. As many digits have come after the decimal point. So 1 digit has come, so we write the 1 0 after 1. Now you can divide easily. You will change the sign of division in multiplication and write the reciprocal of the fraction which comes after the decimal, after the division sign. So student, in this way we get the answer. As same student, we solve the part second. If we talk about the part second, we have 36 divided by 0.2. So student, firstly this is whole number, write in fraction form 36 upon 1 and divided. Now change it into fraction. So we will write 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10. We draw the division bar and we cancel the decimal point and write the 1, and one digit has come after the decimal point, so we write 1 0. You know very well. So 2 upon 10. Now student, divide it 36 upon 1. Division sign you will change in multiplication sign and write the reciprocal 10 upon 2. So student, 36 into 10, you can divide, you can multiply 360 upon 2. Now divide it, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 180, 180, 36 1 minute student, 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 2 upon 10, 36 upon 1 into 10 upon 2, 0.2. Yes, it's right student. This is my answer. This is my correct answer. Now come to the part number 3 student. Part number 3, question is right student. 3.25, we have 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now student, you are seeing that here we require to divide the decimal number by the decimal number. दोनों decimal number हैं. There is not a single number is whole. एक भी नंबर कोई इसमें होल नंबर नहीं है. Both are decimal number. So student, firstly we change both decimal number in fraction. So 325 upon 1. डेसिमल कैंसिल करेंगे डेसिमल पॉइंट को, एंड डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है, सो वी राइट द 2 0 एंड 1 मैं क्यों राइट कर रहा हूं? इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ डेसिमल पॉइंट. डेसिमल पॉइंट के बदले में डेसिमल पॉइंट को मैंने कैंसिल किया, हटाया है, रिमूव किया है, सो इसके बदले मैंने 1 राइट किया. और 2 0 आए हैं, डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है, सो वी राइट 2 0. सो दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन. पी अपन क्यू के फॉर्म में डिवाइडेड बाई 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. Now student, divide it 325 upon 100 into, write the reciprocal 10 upon 5. So student, we get 10 tens are 100, 10 ones are 10, and 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25, 65 ones are 65. We get the 65 upon 10. Now student, you can divide it. 65 is greater than 10, so you can divide. And this is a whole number student, and this is 10 type number. I have told you all whole number has the decimal point at its last. अपने लास्ट में डेसिमल पॉइंट रखता है each decimal number, and this is 10 type number, and this number has 10, so decimal point will move in division to left side equal to 1 digit, so we get student 6.5. देखिए डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव करेगा लेफ्ट साइड में 1 डिजिट के बाद लगेगा, 1 के बाद लगेगा. क्यों 1 के बाद लग रहा है? क्योंकि 10 टाइप नंबर में जो है 10 है. सो 6.5. दिस इज माय आंसर स्टूडेंट. So student, I hope you have understood the part first, second and third. So I am going to solve the part number 4. Part number 4 student, I am doing here. We have 30.94 divided by 0.7. So student, very easy. Firstly, convert in fraction. So this will be 3094 upon 100. It's okay student? Into, no, now use the division sign. 7 upon 10. Now after this step, divide 3094 upon 100 into 10 upon 7. Now cancel. 10 tens are 100, 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. By the slant cancel you can do. So now this is 7 student, and 7 से कैंसिल होगा या नहीं? 7 4 जा 28, 7 4 जा yes कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 7 4 जा 28, 2 is 30, 29, 7 4 जा 28, 1 that is 14 left, and 7 2 जा 40. 442 upon 10. 442 into 1, we get student 442 upon 10. This is the whole number, and each whole number has the decimal point at the last of its, and this is 10 type number, and I have told you the rule for 10 type number when we divide by 10 type number. So this is 10, so decimal point will move 1 digit to the left, so we get student 44.2. this is my answer. Very easy student. Now come to the part number 5 student. Part number 5, we have 0.5 divided by 0.25. So student, you can write this decimal number in fraction form. 5 upon 10 divided by 25 upon 100. So student, 5 upon 10 into reciprocal 100 upon 25. So 10 tens are student 100, and 5 ones are 5, 5 5 are 25. We get student 10 upon 5, and 5 2 are 10. Answer is 2. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So, according to this question, you will solve the remaining part 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, I hope student you have understood very well. So, come to the next question, student. That is the last question of this exercise, student. And last question of this exercise, student, is word problem type question. And student, if you have book, then you can see the question and you can read the question and try to understand the meaning of question. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के क्वेश्चन में स्टूडेंट वर्ड क्वेश्चन की मीनिंग समझना बहुत ही जरूरी होता है. कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आपका क्लियर है सो यू कैन सॉल्व इजीली. So student, firstly I am writing the question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is saying, student, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liter of petrol. Liters of petrol. How much distance? Will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? In 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol. Very easy, student. By using the unitary method, you will solve this question. Question is saying, student, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Value of more is given. We require to value of less. कम की कीमत हमको पता नहीं है, ज्यादा की कीमत हमको पता है. If we talk about the solution, since vehicles covers distance no student, write like this statement. Since in 2.4 liter of petrol, liters of petrol, vehicle covers the distance, is equal to 43.2 kilometer. It is given, student, in your question. In 2.4 liter of petrol, vehicle covers the distance 43.2 kilometer. So question is asking me, how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So distance cover in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 2.4. Value of more is given. We require to value of less. 1. कम की कीमत बताना है. जब ज्यादा की कीमत पता हो और कम की कीमत बताना हो, so student we will divide. हम डिवाइड करेंगे. Means 43.2 divided by 2.4. Very easy student. According to question number 3, divide it. Firstly, change in fraction form. 432 upon 10 divided by 24 upon 10. Now student, 432 upon 10 into 10 upon 24. Now 10 by 10 cancel, and 432, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, and 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 0, 2 8 ja 16, and by 6 we can divide. 6 1 ja 6, 6 8 ja 48 is equal to 18 liter. 18 liters of petrol. आंसर. आप देखिए कैंसिल कैसे हुआ. 10 से 10 कैंसिल हो गया, एंड पहले मैं 432 को और 24 को 2 से कैंसिल किया. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 12, and that is 216. Now again we divide 12 and 216 by 2. 2 6 ja 12 and 108. When we divide 216 by 2, and at last we divide 108 by 6, we get the 18. That is the my answer. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well, and with this question your this exercise and your this chapter is also finished. So student, in my next video I will start your new chapter number 3, data handling. So thank you student, thank you very much.